May 20th for me means victory. May 20th means sovereignty. May 20th means community support. May 20th means standing up for small family farmers and standing up for food with integrity and coming together on the moral right side of things.
We recently discovered that we have a mosquito vector control county funded, and they're releasing 6 endocrine disruptors into our environment. Right after we breathed a sigh of relief about the purity we're bringing by prohibiting GMOs and all those pesticides. Well, now we have sister pesticides to deal with from the vector control. And if that's not enough, we have an irrigation water system that is polluted with chemicals.
May 20th means to me that a community can come together and win a victory against one of the big giants in the world and protect the environment, protect the farmers, protect the workers, and keep a good society healthy and moving forward.
It means that we as a community have the right to claim our own destiny and how our community looks and lives. It is our right. We insist.
May 20th, what does it mean to me? It means that it is an amazing day because there's been 3 events happening on that day. Today, obviously, is a celebration of our community coming together again and bringing in new people and new supporters. And then on May 20th of 2014, it was an incredible day of emotional upheaval that you just cannot believe, because you didn't think you were going to win, and then we didn't think we were going to win. I didn't think we were going to win, and then we did. And then we did. It was such an awesome win, and I still remember that. Yeah, crying, and yeah, it was an amazing day. So, and then hard work of other people. I didn't have anything to do with it. Lawsuit on the 20th, in 2015, and so yeah, it should be a national holiday.
May 20th is the day that David rises up to reassert the power of the people.
Deep Buddhist roots makes every day the same.
May 20th means the day that Jackson County spoke with unity and said, "Leave our food supply alone, Monsanto."